3 times open parentheses 6 minus 3 close parentheses, then minus open parentheses 8 minus 4 close parentheses times 3. What is the answer of this question? Can you solve it? Hi friends and welcome to TurboMaths channel. To solve this question, we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. PEMDAS shows the priority of the mathematical operations, and if you don't pay attention to this rule, you get the wrong answer. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Multiplication and division have the same level of priority. Also, addition and subtraction have the same level of priority. And when we have both in an expression, we start from the left and simplify the question. According to the PEMDAS rule, first we simplify the parentheses. We have 3 times 6 minus 3, which equals 3, then minus 8 minus 4, which equals 4, then times 3. Okay guys, let's solve it step by step together. In this step, we have multiplication and subtraction. First, we simplify the multiplication because the multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. 3 times 3 equals 9. Now we have 9 minus 4, then times 3. Again, we have subtraction and multiplication. First, we simplify this multiplication because the multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. Negative 4 times 3 equals negative 12. Now we have 9 minus 12, which equals negative 3. The final answer of this question equals negative 3. Thanks for watching guys. To see more math videos, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.